The wolf of the superfoods, Goji Berry. Goji berries are also known as the wolfberries. Goji berries have been used since ancient times in Chinese traditional medicine. They come from the Himalayan mountains of Tibet. They are so highly regarded by the Tibetan people that they hold a 2-week festival in honor of this nutritious berry. Goji berries have only been recently introduced to the West, and we are just now learning of its highly beneficial properties. Hello and welcome to our series on superfoods. In this video, we will tell you more about the benefits of wolfberry or goji berry to your health. For more health tips and great videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification for our latest videos. The goji berry is renowned for its high concentration of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and essential fatty acids, all of which provide great benefits to your health. In appearance, it is a scarlet berry looking like a raisin when dried. It has a mildly sweet flavor, not unlike a cross between a raisin and a cranberry. It is chewy. These berries are so delicate that they are shaken from the plant onto mats rather than picked. They are then dried slowly in the shade. These humble berries have now become a popular health food in the Western world and the Eastern world. Here are some great health benefits of goji berries. 1. High nutrition value. Goji berries are full of essential vitamins and minerals. They are loaded with iron, fiber, vitamin A and vitamin C. Only 5 spoons of goji berries contain 15% of the daily requirement of vitamin C and more than 100% of vitamin A. 2. Good for eye health. Goji berries have some of the highest amounts of antioxidants. These berries have a high level of zeaxanthin. These antioxidants can stop the damage to the eyes from UV light, free radicals, and oxidative stress. 3. Protection against cancer. A high level of antioxidants along with vitamin C is responsible for fighting cancer cells. The antioxidants in goji berries reduce inflammation, remove harmful substances from the body, and slow tumor growth. 4. Anti-aging properties. Goji berries have been used by the Chinese for their anti-aging properties. Goji berries contain natural beta-carotene. It is used in skin creams to improve skin health, manage the effect of sun, and reduce the impact of aging. 5. Good for the liver. Goji berries are used for the treatment of diseases related to the liver in traditional Chinese medicine. Recent studies indicate that goji berries can promote better functioning of the liver. They can reduce the impact of alcohol-induced fatty liver disease. There have been dozens of scientific studies done on the health benefits of the goji berry, and many more studies are continuing to be done. We can expect to hear more about this amazing little berry from the mountains of Tibet soon. To get more information about superfoods, losing weight, and health from our experts, please click the link provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.